Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anjali. In the subject Universal Human Values 2, Understanding Harmony, in Unit 1, the topic is Purpose and Motivation for the course in Universal Human Values 2. The purpose to study Universal Human Values at this semester or at this age is there should be always a question in our mind that during our childhood, in our school days, we have moral science subject. A story will be explained to you, and the moral of the story finally will be given to you. That is, this is good, this is bad. This is the good behavior, and these are the bad behaviors. These are good people, and these are bad people. In that way, there will be some conclusion given at the end of every moral story. But here, the purpose for this course and the motivation for this universal human values is every individual should take up the responsibility of self exploration. That is, our ultimate aim is to fulfill our relationship with other human beings or with any other entity in the rest of the nature. So then we feel that whether I am related to the other human being with right understanding and right feelings. So then our participation in the larger order will make us to explore more. This participation constitutes the domain of human values. The value of an entity is its participation in the larger order of which it is a part. Example, the value of this pen is that it can write. Here, writing is the participation of the pen in the larger order in which it is present along with paper or just like this PowerPoint or just like human beings, how they are useful in larger order. I am using this pen to underline the important points that I am delivering here. So then it will be useful to identify these are all the points I am explaining. The value of our eye is that it can be used for seeing. Similar way, every other entity has its own value. The value of a vegetable plant is that it provides nutrition to animals and humans. What is the participation of a human being in a larger order? So, here the process of education, why education is given to us. It is used to understand the values. The value of a human being is its natural or expected participation in the larger order. You know, there are four levels of living, right from the very small level called as the individual level, just like this point, and surrounding to the individual, their family members will be there. We call that the next level of living, family level. And the third level is number of families grouped together. It is called society. So at the societal level of living, the nature and its coexistence is the fourth level. So at all the four levels of living, we should have the participation. For human beings, the bigger order includes other human beings, plants, and physical orders like air, water, soil, animals. These are animal orders. That is, we have to be connected with all the four orders like physical order, bio order, animal order, and the human order. So the entire nature and existence we have to be participating in the larger order. To understand human values, we need to study the reality of humans along with all that is there in the entire nature and its coexistence. The role of human beings is to understand and fulfill its relationship with every unit in its existence. To understand human values, there is a need for value education. Value education is about what to do. We need to explore and understand things as they are so that we can fulfill our participation with them. The part of education that deals with the understanding of one's participation in larger order, ensuring living is called value education. So, value education is all about what to do, whether we are doing exactly with right understanding and right feeling. That right, underline that word right. So, what to do is called value education. This forms the basis of the rest of the education as well. The whole education needs to be value based. Though we have skill based education, which is used for our living, to earn money, to work, it is called how to do. Skill education is called how to do. But the education, value education, is what to do. If it is not value based, it will not serve to fulfill the basic aspiration of human being. What are the basic aspirations? Continuous happiness and prosperity. So it is called a life of fulfillment. It provides skills to a person to fulfill the need for physical facility, to make money, but the basic desire will remain untouched. A simple appraisal of the current situation shows that a life has become more focused on making money rather than ensuring fulfilling life. This deficiency needs to be rectified by making education wholesome and conducive to a fulfilling life. Thank you.